you how to make a catch the Latin game in PowerApps. For convenience, I have written the steps in a notepad. These are the steps. First, add a background, then insert a pumpkin image. Then I will enter some formulas in the property. We will duplicate some pumpkin image. Then we will insert the label as a score. We will add a timer. Then we will enter some formulas in the pumpkin 1 and pumpkin 2 and the timer. Then we will insert the audio. Come on, let's go to PowerApps. Here is PowerApps. Now there is an option called Canvas app. I'll select it and enter the app name. Catch pumpkin. Here is the tablet option. We'll click on create. It's loading. First, we will add a background. We will go to background image and select the drop down and add an image file. I have already background. I'll click it and open it. It's loading. But now it's so shrinky. I will change the image position to fill. Now next, we will insert the pumpkin image. We'll go to insert and click on media and click on image. We will select none drop down, click on an image file. Then I have already pumpkin image. I click on it, open. It's loading. It has now loaded. We'll make a little bigger. Then it's there. Next, we should go to the onSelect property and enter the formula this. We'll go to pumpkin, then click on the image drop down. We'll go to onSelect property. We'll change false as set score. Now it came. Now we will duplicate it. Now I'll keep the second one here. I'm going to add a label as score. We'll go to insert, then click on label. We'll change font size to 40. And in the formula bar, we will enter score as the variable. I'll move here. Next, we'll add a timer. We'll go to the input and choose the timer. We'll keep the timer here. Then we will set duration to 1500, that is equal to 1.5 seconds. We'll go to properties and change duration to 1500. Then we will on the repeat and auto start. We will just off the visible prop. Then we will go add this code to the timer in on timer start drop down. I'll click on drop down, go to timer start. I'll change false to this code on the formula bar. Now in the pumpkin one, in the visible property, we should enter this formula. We'll go to pumpkin one and select the property as visible. We'll change true to this code. Next, we'll go to the pumpkin 2, again visible property. Then we will enter the same code. We'll change 1 to 2. This code in the on timer start and the pumpkins helps us to make the image invisible and visible. Next, we will add an audio. We'll go to insert and click on media, then add an audio. We will go to the properties and change media none to add media file. Then I click on Halloween. I already have a sound. Click on it, open. Now the audio is here. Now we will switch off the show controls loop on the loop and visible. Now we'll go to insert, then click on label. We'll put the title as Catch Pumpkin. I'll change the font size to 30. I'll make it bold and make it center. Keep bigger. Now it's here. Then I'm going to add a score label. I'll click on label. Then I'll change text to score column. I'll change to the font size to 30. Then bold. Now I'll move here. Now it's here. We'll check it. It's adding. It's adding. Happy Halloween, as this is a Halloween special. Thank you.